Hi again there folks, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First a big welcome to the video. So today's video is just a quick trade example on the USD CAD that I've just took here. Its price just popped down into a daily and a 4-hour zone. So you can see I've got my zones marked in the chart. We've been in an uptrend here, been moving up higher. I'll just zoom in, see the daily. This is a zone. If you want to know what I'm talking about here, you can access my Udemy course. Try it risk-free for 30 days. This area here caused this last high in the trend on the daily. I'll zoom into the 4-hour chart. You can see we just have a wee small 4-hour area just in the zone there. See, I've actually entered another position here as it's moving in my favor to take it up to the top. So I entered half down here and my second half here. So I usually work my way into a position. And so you can see price comes down into the 4-hour. And what we look for now is divergence signals, and we got it here. The signal was, see here, price dropped down here, made a new low, but the indicator's moving higher. 15 minutes charts, we get in the trade here on the divergence. Boom, up she goes, and it's moving nicely. Target is, first easy target should be around 130, 200. I'm going for the daily target up here at 130, 900. So I'll keep you updated with this trade. Again, it's very simple, basic trade. We've got our daily zone here. We've got our 4-hour zone within the daily. And then we zoom into the smaller time frames and we'll study price action as it comes into the area. You can see slowing down nicely, coming into the 4-hour and the daily zone. The 1-hour and the 15-minute chart both give us the signal. See, it creates a low here, comes down deep into the 4-hour and just touches it and back up. So great trade, and I'll keep you posted how it's going. So that is on the USD CAD. So if you want to learn how I actually analyze the market and trade like this, you can simply click the link below in the description area and head over to Udemy and try my course risk-free for 30 days, and you actually get access to my MACD divergence indicator absolutely free. So any questions, get in contact with me at willover@fxas.com.